Under which act is driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs considered a punishable offense in India? Option A, Motor Vehicles Act. Option B, Road Safety Act. Option C, Public Safety and Order Act. Option D, Vehicle Regulation Act. Correct answer. Option A, Motor Vehicles Act. Which of the following Harappan sites is not located in India? Option A, Dholavira. Option B, Kalibangan. Option C, Chanhu Daro. Option D, Lothal. Correct answer. Option C, Chanhu Daro. Who won the gold medal in the women's 400 meters hurdles at the 2025 National Federation Senior Athletics Competition and set a new meet record of 56.04 seconds? Option A, Saritaben Gayakwad. Option B, Hima Das. Option C, Tanya Sachdev. Option D, Vithya Ramraj. Correct answer. Option D, Vithya Ramraj. The Ajanta Caves are located in which mountain range? Option A, Aravalli Range. Option B, Sahyadri Range. Option C, Vindhya Range. Option D, Satpura Range. Correct answer. Option B, Sahyadri Range. Who has the authority to remove the governor of a state in India? Option A, Parliament. Option B, Legislative Assembly. Option C, President. Option D, Supreme Court. Correct answer. Option C, President. Which of the following countries is not part of the Basic Countries Group? Option A, South Africa. Option B, Australia. Option C, Brazil. Option D, China. Correct answer. Option B, Australia. Which of the following states does not require an inner line permit for tourists visiting protected tribal areas? Option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Option B, Nagaland. Option C, Mizoram. Option D, Assam. Correct answer. Option D, Assam. Who is the author of Asian Drama, An Inquiry into the Poverty of Nations, the book that describes India as a soft state? Option A, Angus Deaton. Option B, Gunnar Myrdal. Option C, Jagdish Bhagwati. Option D, Paul Krugman. Correct answer. Option B, Gunnar Myrdal. Who was the founder of the Bahmani Sultanate? Option A, Alauddin Hassan Bahman Shah. Option B, Firoz Shah Bahmani. Option C, Hassan Gangu Bahmani. Option D, Ahmad Bahman Shah. Correct answer. Option A, Alauddin Hassan Bahman Shah. Smita Rajeshbhai Shastri was awarded the Sangeet Natak Akademi Amrit Award for her dedication and significant contribution to which classical Indian dance form? Option A, Kuchipudi. Option B, Kathak. Option C, Bharatanatyam. Option D, Odissi. Correct answer. Option A, Kuchipudi. The Sela Tunnel, the world's longest bi-lane high-altitude road tunnel, is located in which Indian state or union territory? Option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Option B, Himachal Pradesh. Option C, Ladakh. Option D, Jammu and Kashmir. Correct answer. Option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Which United Nations organization was the first to accept cryptocurrency donations and make transactions using crypto? Option A, UNEP. Option B, WHO. Option C, ILO. Option D, UNICEF. Correct answer. Option D, UNICEF. Which writ is issued to produce a person who has been detained unlawfully before the court to ensure their freedom? Option A, mandamus. Option B, certiorari. Option C, habeas corpus. Option D, quo warranto. Correct answer. Option C, habeas corpus. Where is India's first white tiger breeding center being set up? Option A, Gujarat. Option B, Karnataka. Option C, West Bengal. Option D, Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer. Option D, Madhya Pradesh. Which position does India hold among the world's top mobile phone manufacturers? Option A, second. Option B, fourth. Option C, sixth. Option D, eighth. Correct answer. Option A, second. Which country became the first in the world to criminalize the use of artificial intelligence tools to create child sexual abuse material? Option A, UAE. Option B, Australia. Option C, United Kingdom. Option D, Japan. Correct answer. Option C, United Kingdom. Who is the author of the Sanskrit play, Malavikignamitram? Option A, Bhasa. Option B, Kalidasa. Option C, Sadraka. Option D, Banabhata. Correct answer. Option B, Kalidasa. Who won the Allan Border Medal at the 2025 Australian Cricket Awards? Option A, Steve Smith. Option B, Travis Head. Option C, Pat Cummins. Option D, Josh Hazelwood. Correct answer. Option B, Travis Head. What was the theme of the Union Budget 2025-26, presented by Nirmala Sitharaman? Option A, Panch Pran. Option B, Kaushal Bharat. Option C, Bahihata. Option D, Sabka Vikas. Correct answer. Option D, Sabka Vikas. In 2025, which village in Gujarat was declared the state's first biodiversity heritage site for its unique inland mangrove ecosystem? Option A, Mandvi village of Kutch district. Option B, Dordo village of Kutch district. Option C, Gunari village of Kutch district. Option D, Narayan Sarovar village of Kutch district. Correct answer. Option C, Gunari village of Kutch district. Which of the following rivers does not form a delta in India? Option A, Godavari. Option B, Narmada. Option C, Mahanadi. Option D, Krishna. Correct answer. Option B, Narmada. The only educational institution in the northeastern states to get the Green School rating for 2024-25 is in which of the following states? Option A, Assam. Option B, Manipur. Option C, Sikkim. Option D, Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer. Option C, Sikkim. Who is known as the father of the Green Revolution? Option A, Verghese Kurian. Option B, M.S. Swaminathan. Option C, Alexander Fleming. Option D, Norman Borlaug. Correct answer. Option D, Norman Borlaug. Which Indian institute launched the country's first cancer genome atlas, named the Bharat Cancer Genome Atlas, to advance cancer research and personalized medicine? Option A, Indian Institute of Technology Madras. Option B, Indian Institute of Science. Option C, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Option D, National Institute of Biomedical Genomics. Correct answer. Option A, Indian Institute of Technology Madras. Which process involves the breakdown of organic matter into simpler compounds by decomposers? Option A, fermentation. Option B, putrefaction. Option C, pollination. Option D, decomposition. Correct answer. Option D, decomposition.